Okay, this is Salt. She has to go in a puppy pen overnight to keep her safe from the dogs. This is the sight that greets me. Salt! Hello? Hello? Do you want to come out? Salt! Salt! Morning, Salt. Hello, Salt. What are you up to? All right then. What are you doing? Salty. Here she is. Here she is. Salt. Salt. Should go in the bedroom. Okay. Come on then. Here's the dog. Here's your friends. Here they are. Here's your buddies. Here's Roy. Here's Mummy. Here's your mum. Here's your adopted mum. Come on, Squeaker. Have I got a Salt? Hey, is it your baby, Millie? Is this your baby? Is this your baby, Roy? Is this your baby? Hey. Is this your baby? Millie? Is this? Is this your baby? Little tail wagging. Who's that? Hey. Come on then, Salt. Come on, let's put you in while I sort your breakfast out. Going in here now, Millie. Millie, is that your little baby? Is that your little baby? Hey, is that your baby? Is that your baby? Say hello to Salt. Is that your baby? Come on then. Go in, oh George. Wait a minute now, I'll get you breakfast. A little reminder. Yeah, she's going in there now for a minute. I'll sort her breakfast out.